Okay, you're getting ready for summer. You're wearing some shorts. You're maybe exposing some limbs that maybe you've been undercover and in sweaters for a while. Well, Dr. Johnson of Innovations Medical has cutting-edge treatments to get your arms and your legs ready. Bill, you know, we are showing so much more skin than we have all winter. You're here to the rescue.
That's right. It's coming up on those times when we want to be in shorts and t-shirts and not in our long sleeves.
Okay, for the arms, let's start there, because I don't know any woman who's not concerned about that loose skin on her arms.
Yeah, and Thermage has really become recognized as the gold standard in skin tightening. So when it's mostly just loose skin, we really like doing Thermage. We nowadays use the 16 centimeter tip, which allows us to do it with less tips.
Yeah.
It makes it less expensive, and it makes it where it doesn't take as long.
This is a benefit for everybody. So it's quicker, it's less painful, and like you said, it's a little bit more cost effective this way, which is a bonus for everybody. Okay, so we've done something about the loose skin. What can be done to target the fat?
Well, on fat, we really like SmartLipo, and there's a recent study that showed that patients with having arms done with SmartLipo have much greater patient satisfaction than with standard liposuction. And the main difference is the laser with the SmartLipo gives us really good skin tightening afterwards. We can see up to 30% skin tightening with SmartLipo.
Wow. And
we're able to do it under local anesthesia using tiny incisions, so it's really nice to make a real difference on those arms.
And it's safer that way too, which is such a big plus. Okay, let's talk about the appearance of our skin. Because we can't tan anymore. We know that's bad for us.
That's bad for us.
But we want to get rid of the crepey or the dark spots. What do we do for the appearance?
Well, on the crepey skin, again, especially on the front of the thighs, Thermage is really probably the best technology out there. It makes a real difference on that crepey skin. And then on a lot of folks, like on hands or forearms, we like to do Thermage or even Fraxel and SmartSide, because that resurfacing can really get rid of that crepiness and some of those dark spots that we get with age. We're also going to talk later on, fat transfer to the hands can be really a dramatic change. We'll talk about that some more later on this summer.
Wow, okay, there's so many different technologies at work here. These pictures are amazing. So I guess a big point is that we need to come in for that consultation, because once we disclose our issues to you, Dr. Bill, you can really say these are the technologies that are going to work best for your target problem.
Right, and one thing that is important is there's a difference between being sleeveless like you are and being in a t-shirt, because this upper third of the arm is slower to respond, takes a little more work. And I can get folks in a t-shirt for June, but for sleeveless it may take the end of the summer.
I might look good by 2011 is what he's saying, but you know what we can do instantly, which every woman has? Cellulite. What can we do?
Well, cellulite, we really like doing the 16 centimeter tip on Thermage.
Okay.
It really makes a big difference on the dimpling and the irregular appearance. But we're going to talk some more next time about being in shorts, and we'll talk about some other technologies that are available that can really change the appearance for cellulite. It's
amazing what this technology does. These before and afters are motivations to anybody. And so we see this, or we want a piece of this, Bill. We want to look better for this summer. What specials do you have?
Well, this is one of the biggest specials we've ever done, and we're going to take 20% off liposuction on the arms and legs and 25% off Thermage on the arms and legs through June 30th. Now, we have a limited number of appointments, so people that want to get involved need to go ahead and call and get signed up.
And you can spend the extra money on Botox. What a deal. Dr. Bill Johnson, thanks for being here. For more information, log on to innovationsmedical.com or give them a call, 972-331-8844 for that consultation. And as always, if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, just drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedical.com. Rob?